unlimited number of outfits from the 10-item wardrobe? Yes, let me show you how. Extras are the secret weapon of the 10-item wardrobe. You have your 10 core pieces, and then your extras can be shirts, tank tops, sweaters, maybe an extra pair of jeans, underpinnings, coats, and shoes. I'm gonna show you just how many outfits you can make with just a few extra pieces. I'll point them out along with my core item. So here is a core piece, this black and white polka dot wool skirt, and a core piece, this polka dot shirt. And then the extras here are the cardigan sweater, which of course is really important on colder days. And also I'm wearing these black fleece lined tights. I just got these from Target and they are wonderful. I've never had thermal tights before, or fleece lined, and they're awesome. It makes it possible to wear skirts throughout the winter instead of your legs being freezing and wanting to have pants on. And I love wearing skirts, so these are going to be a great extra addition to my wardrobe. If you're not familiar with the 10-item wardrobe, the capsule wardrobe where you just have 10 core pieces and then you have extra items, I was inspired to try it after reading about it in Jennifer L. Scott's book, Madame Chic. She was inspired by the ladies in France who have, it seems, much less clothing than we do here. And I can attest to that. From my time in Europe, I noticed that too, that in Spain and in France, everybody seemed to wear less clothing and in a much heavier rotation than we do here. I will link below my playlist about putting together 10-item wardrobes, as well as Jennifer's TEDx talk, which is a really great introduction to it. In this outfit combo, I've got my core piece, which is the skirt, and then the extras would be this corduroy blazer. I'm also wearing a t-shirt. I have several of these scoop neck t-shirts from the Gap. They're my favorite. I have 3 blue ones and a couple of camel colored ones. Those fall into the extra category, and here I've combined them with the core item. The skirt is the only core piece here. And then sweaters are another thing that could go in your extras. I have some sweaters in my core items for this season of fall winter, but this goes in the extras. Kind of, it's just kind of your call what's an extra and what's not. This to me is more of an extra because it could go on over like a slimmer sweater and kind of, be taken on and off as temperature dictates. Here's the same skirt with a jacket that I just got, a waxed jacket. So this, it's outerwear, but I can also, and I do wear it sometimes as functions as a cardigan just to keep warm. And so my core piece here is the skirt again, and then the extra is the jacket, extra is the t-shirt, extra is the tights, and technically even my LL Bean boots are an extra as well. These are 2 core pieces, my V-necked blue cashmere sweater and my pair of bootcut jeans from 7 for All Mankind. But then underneath of it, I'm wearing an extra, which is this velvet tank top. And this is something I have in my extras sort of like for festive occasions, for going out or just to wear underneath clothes. I love wearing velvet. I just love the texture of it. So it can be very dressy, but I also just like to wear it for every day. And this particular tank top is from Old Navy. I find that Old Navy does some great tank tops. Here's the velvet tank top with another extra, my corduroy blazer, and then with my core piece, which are the jeans. So that's just like another outfit. I could wear this just to be casual. I could wear it for a night out. I feel like the velvet tank top makes things kind of festive. Or I could pair it with the wax jacket. It's just another option. But the core piece being the jeans, and then, you just add these different extras. Here I've got my jeans from core items, my striped button-down shirt from my core items, and then over it I've thrown this striped sweatshirt that is like an extra. I have a couple of sweatshirts that are extras, and I love the stripes on stripes. And of course, layering is so important, especially in the fall, because the temperature changes a lot here in Kentucky. I hope this gives you an idea of how you can use extras to round out your 10-item wardrobe and just pretty much have endless outfits and possibilities. So just think about adding basic tees, tanks, sweaters, shoes, maybe an extra pair of pants. Another video we can talk about accessories like scarves and jewelry and bags and what those can do to add interest and fun to your outfits as well. To get started with the core pieces of the 10-item wardrobe, check out my video from last week on the core pieces, or my whole playlist on the 10-item wardrobe. And I will look forward to hearing from you in the comments how your 10-item wardrobes are coming along. Take care. Bye for now.